I just finished about 3 hours of work and videoing some stuff here concerning the pick and place machine. What I did was actually mounting the reels to the machine, which took me a couple of hours. It really is a lot of work assembling each of them, about 5 minutes each, and the first ones took more time because I didn't know how to correctly mount them. But I found it out. I even did some fine-tuning on the software here. So let's get to the system file here, so you can tweak all kinds of stuff. I'm only using about 15 reels at this moment, and there will be a large video because I just recorded about 4 hours of video, I think, which I have to edit, of course. I hope to upload it tomorrow. I hope. Anyway, this was a cool experience so far. I think we're almost there. The only thing, or the major thing that, two things that are needed now are fine-tuning of the exact positioning of the parts. So that means picking up the part at the correct position. That's one. You have to configure it for each reel. Of course, it depends on the part size, you know, that sort of thing. And the other thing is seeing if the parts are correctly positioned on the board. And what I meant is exporting. The second thing I meant to say is exporting the file from my circuit board design software, Eagle, from Autodesk, to a file that can be used. I'm sure I have to tweak it because my software, of course, doesn't know on which reel which part is, so I have to configure that in some way. But I think I've read that there are some scripts on a forum that I can use in Eagle to export the file I need in the comma separated value format, CSV format, and then I can tweak it and load it in the software in the pick and place machine. And then we'll do the first testing and prototyping of the boards that are on this are assembled already. I'm not going to do 4 at the same time. I'm just going to do one by one to start with, and if we'll do penalized boards, we'll see. And penalized means that you can, for example, put 4x4 or 3x3 in a panel and have them produced that way, which is a bit cheaper. And of course, it's quicker if you put them in the pick and place machine that way. But it will require all kinds of extra challenges, and I don't need them right now. I think taking out of my hand the manual production will already make production a lot faster. So I do now 5 boards from the Pro 1 type, for example, in about 2 hours, and I think we can speed it up to this way I can do for example 15 to 20 boards a day. But if we will do it by the machine, and then each board will take 5 minutes, I think it will be less, but then count it yourself. You can do 10 in an hour at least. So 80 a day, maybe 100 if the machine is fast enough. And of course the boards have to go into the reflow oven, but that's not the issue. It's just that you put on the oven, you push a button and it runs. So I think I see major benefits for the production line here at Vitalite headquarters. So we're going from 15 or 20 a day to 80 or 100 a day. Without with less time needed, because the machine does the job, you know. You have to take care if there are problems or when the new board has to be put in, of course, but it will be a big benefit for Vitalite, and of course for all of you, because there will be more products available in the near future. It won't take long now. Really, I've been saying that for months, I know, but finally I'm spending the time, and that's only because I closed the shop for 2 weeks or 1.5 weeks until last Monday. So it's open again, but it's still not all products are available, because I don't want the pressure to continue to produce stuff by hand for the sales. I want to focus on the pick and place machine first, so we will benefit of that in the future. But of course there has to be a time investment, and the light goes off again. Time investment for that, you can imagine that. So thank you for watching, guys. See my cool new robot here. I should make another video of that, don't you think? Tell me, do you like a video of this robot here? Because it's so cool. I bought it on King's Day, and it's a really cool thing. It can do all kinds of stuff. and I have to assemble those Lego boxes there, which I still haven't done. Although I really wish to work on those, but there's so much stuff to do here. I just finished that Pong machine over there, which is already available in the video on YouTube from this morning and yesterday. It was a two-part video because I didn't have time enough yesterday. So watch that if you want to, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. One other thing, it's a big secret. I'm going to do a video every day, because I really want to use YouTube in the right way, and that means you have to upload a video every day. That can be all kinds of videos. It could be the Byte Loud Weekly Show, it could be videos about production and so repairs. I've started a new series about demos, the best demos, which I'm working on, and that will be a part of my work, daily work as well. But I don't want it to consume too much time, so I really want to combine work with videos. That's what I am thinking of. And the demos are an exception, because the demos are just something you can put on and create a video and then upload it whenever you have time. That's the benefit of that. So maybe I can record just 5 of them in a day and in 2 hours, and after that upload one by one during the week. That's the idea behind it. I just want to upload a video every day. That's the most important thing, and I hope you guys like it. Please let me know. I also still have to start a Patreon. Already created an account and configured my account partially, but I'm not finished with that yet. So lots of stuff to go to continue on. Fortunately, the pollen, my allergy is over. That's something else. The only problem is I now have some toothache here, so I really have to work out to solve that. But I'm still laughing, you know, and I'm working, continue to work. I really like doing this work, and I hope you like it as well. So thank you for watching again, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!